My name is Josephine. Welcome back. So today we are going to be solving a question on bearing. So the question says the bearing of A from B is 300 degrees. Find the bearing of B from A. The bearing of A from B is 300 degrees. That means the drawing is going to be coming from B. So if it's coming from B, we are going to draw B first. So if this is our B, this is our B, the bearing is coming from B, so we need to draw our B first, and it's 300 degrees. And we know the four cardinal points for bearing. It must start from the north. This is the north, this is the south, this is the east, and this is the west. So for any bearing question, the distance must start from the north. So we are going 300 degrees. And we know that here is 0, here is 90, here is 180, here is 270, and this is 360. So 300, we are going to go. This is 90, this is 180, this is 270. So 30 is going to be around here. So this is going to be 300 degrees. Now we're starting from B going to A. From B going to A. Then our A should be around here. So this is our A. And here is all this angle is 300 degrees. And if here is 270, if it's starting from 270, then 300 minus 270, here is going to be 30 degrees. And we all know alternate angles. If here is 30 degrees, here is also going to be 30 degrees. So the question is asking us, find the bearing of B from A. What's the bearing of B? Coming from A. And if you are to come from A, we're also going to start from the north. So coming from A, we're going to have what? Here is going to be 90 plus this 30, and this is going to be 120 degrees. Here is 30, here is also 30. So find the bearing of B from A. So coming from A is going to come from the north side. So this is 90 plus this 30, that's 120. So the bearing of B from A is 120 degrees. Thank you.